Can you change your reality? Yes. But you need to change your perception in order to do that. And you need to change your perception by going to a higher level of consciousness. You're not going to do it with your 5 sense consciousness called beta, where you're just activating 5 senses and using those to operate in the 3-dimensional world. You need to go into your subjective consciousness at alpha, theta, and even delta. When you get to delta, you are living in that quantum field. Now you go there at night when you're sleeping. You go down into delta. And that is when you're in not just the physical dimension, but the other dimensions, the spiritual dimensions, where you can correct problems, work on projects, connect with other beings, connect with higher intelligence, and do some pretty amazing things. But how to get there is the problem that you need to solve in order to activate your higher self. One of the solutions is the Silva Ultramind course, which I'm teaching in September. You can sign up for it. I've trained quite a few people, and they've learned that they can use the techniques they learn every single day in order to solve problems, think outside the box, neutralize a negative thing when it shows up, like an illness or a situation that they don't necessarily like. They can transform it into something they do like, because they understand the power within. Once you get into those levels of consciousness called alpha, theta, delta. This is the 5th dimension that everyone's talking about now, the Christ consciousness, where there are no problems, only solutions.